Just a quick note on reading the course schedule. This will be an important tool for you to use throughout the semester so that you make sure you know what to do that week and what things to turn in for a grade. You'll see in the schedule that there's one row for each week. The dates are listed there. Our weeks will run from Sunday through Saturday with the exception of Lehman holidays. Of course, with an online class, you may always do your work on those days off. And so the dates for each week are listed on the left side, and in the middle you'll see the topic and the readings for the course. Our topic for this week is Introduction, and that'll be your introduction to the course as well as to the assigned book for the class. And then on the far right, the graded work. In general, graded work is due by the end of the week, and Saturday 11:59 p.m. ends the week. But there are important exceptions to that deadline, and when there are those exceptions, you will see them posted throughout Blackboard, and you'll see them in my regular reminders that I put in announcements and send as emails to the class. We'll move on into week 2 to the topic of theories, and you have a different set of readings for that, and so on. You'll see as we get later in the semester, the readings are listed as TBA, or to be announced. And that's because I will see how we're doing with the readings in the beginning of the semester and make adjustments accordingly and decide which readings and how much to assign for those topics at the second half of the semester.